In 2023, we became the new owners of an abandoned farm in central Portugal. Follow our story of resilience, growth, and the pursuit of a more sustainable and fulfilling way of life. Together we'll celebrate the beauty of nature, the joy of learning, and the wonders that await as we embrace the Portuguese culture and create our own unique escape within the breathtaking landscape.
So, continuing from Friday's video, I said if there was time I'd put some more stuff in, and there wasn't, so I'm going to do an extra bonus upload. I'm not sure if this will be a regular thing, just purely because it takes a lot of work to do 2 videos. So anyone that does 2 videos at the moment, I tip my hat to you. I'm just cleaning up any last remaining dust, because I was going to stain the door, but a bright idea, well, as other people call them, brain farts. I think I may try and lime wash the door. I've got some lime paint, and I've just spent the last sort of hour picking out all the majority of the white and the blue paint. There's still some left, which I actually quite like. It's just, yeah, it's pretty clear now. So let's get some lime paint on.
Sky come bearing up before us, we hang on the hem of your gown. Blue sky come, promise not to leave us, tarry not to our town. There's a darkness in the valley, branches crack and spit. If we holler, will you hurry?
So the lime wash is on the wall. It's starting to go white on this wood, a little bit on this wood. I don't know, it could turn out a very strange colour. It's a very watered down lime mix, so maybe I'll do one more. I didn't want to do it and it go too white, so I want it like a beech woody sort of effect. Let's give it some time, see what happens. If we need to make a slightly thicker mix and paint it, I need to try and find I need to figure out a way to get this to blend into this. Maybe this will have some stain. I don't know. Let's wait and see. So it's dry. It actually looks really, really good. It's not fully dry, but dry enough to see. I just don't know if it will stay on the wall. I've never done this before, but I may move it around a little bit white to wet just to get some of the streaks out, and then maybe we'll look at putting something over the top, maybe like some wax, some beeswax maybe, or something to sort of seal it in. But I think that looks really, really good. It almost weathers it enough to look similar to these panels. Excellent. Right, I'll have a play, and we'll get some of these thornless blackberries in the ground. So excellent.
I wonder how this night will be. The apple does not fall from the tree. She said I almost died a week ago. I lost my will, I thought I'd let you know. The countryside, the water, so I wait up here, I just let it know. wait along the corridor. Some would say they've seen me here before. Do we need to go this far? We do know who we
So it's gone a very peculiar colour. It's gone like ultraviolet blue. So will it stay like this? Will it go see-through? Time will tell. So we'll come back in half an hour and see if this is protected from the rain. So whilst we're waiting for the lacquer to dry, this is one of the thornless brambles that we were gifted. So again, thank you very much, Dave and Beverly. Just going to take some of the dead leaves off. And then let's see if this grows. The plan is to grow it around the arch and on the fence line, so let's get it in the ground. I'm actually not going to give it any special compost, anything other than just dirt, because I want to train it to be quite a hardy plant. Maybe I'll give it a little bit on top, but nothing major. And hopefully we can train this to grow around the fence and up and over. So we'll have to remove all these peas from last season. Come on. Hello. Do you want a drink? Well, you can't have a door without a door handle, so I've put somewhere here we go, the door handle from the door that never made it. So let's try and get this off. It looks like the handle's actually hammered in through this panel, and then the way the door sits, I think we'll have to flip it all around the other way, and then this pin that goes through won't be long enough because the strut on the door is quite thick, so we'll have to extend that and put this bit here, if that makes any sense. So let's try and deconstruct it. I think it'll work with just a simple hammer. And it's so bright so I don't even know if I'm in shot, but let's have a little. Oh, simple. There we go. Now we have a nail here. So let's see if we can lift that out. There we go. Sorted. There we go. Simple. So we have the door handle. It's actually really quite thin metal. Let me flatten this part on a bit of concrete. There we go. Good as new. Feels really quite flimsy. So we can straighten these out. Well, I'll do it now. Somewhat straighter. Little bit straighter. So let's get this into the door.
find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long as I waited without a sign of what matters to you. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. It's been 72 weeks in this town. I still believe I'll see you again. No matter what, I got off the ground for something that matters to me. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. I just hope we could stay together. We wait and see, but the chances are small, just like the lottery. This time I am pretty sure moments passing away I've never seen before. You held me out of the dark. I always wonder if you were left without a mark. Did you ever let go? Did you ever not know? You were never out there alone. Do you think there's a chance for this love to be real? I will let you take the wheel. From now.
There we go. Nice. We just need one little nail for in here. We don't need it, but we'll just finish it off.
Lying on a distant star. In these violent days I wanna be where you are. Stay with me, it's getting late. Fill me with a desire that I cannot break. Did you ever let go? Did you ever not know? You were never out there alone. Do you think there's a chance for this love to be real?
Well, there you have it, guys. Making use of the old, and yeah, I'm super happy with it. Maybe I want to put a little wooden handle on the end of this so we can shut the door a bit easier from the inside. And I'll try and scrape some paint off that lock. But for now, pretty happy. But for me, time to have a shower. See ya.